In the world of master data management, intelligent enterprises strive to enhance communication, planning, analysis, and execution through improved governance processes across multiple lines of businesses, such as supply chains, mergers, and resourcing. SAP's Master Data Governance provides a unified, trusted view of your business to enable you to work more efficiently and make better decisions. In this scenario, Best Run Bikes is onboarding a new supplier for their brake systems. Chief Supply Chain Officer Chris leverages SAP's Master Data Governance solution that prioritizes automation through attribute prediction, AI, and third-party data providers. The automated onboarding process collects, verifies, and classifies the data with minimal human involvement, enabling a significant increase in both data quality and productivity. Master Data Specialist Elaine must integrate the new supplier, and she searches the Manage Business Partners app, but no data is found, so a new supplier record is required. Traditionally, data would need to be entered manually, but with SAP Master Data Governance, Elaine simply clicks on Lookup and Create to retrieve a list of results with multiple records from external sources. She selects the appropriate record and clicks Create Business Partner, which automatically transfers the data to Elaine's record in progress. In a matter of minutes, the new record is created. Best Run always strives for the highest quality data achievable. With SAP Data Quality Management microservices for location data already integrated with SAP Master Data Governance, validation and standardization of the supplier address information is effortless, avoiding costly and time-consuming tasks, while significantly enriching the address information. Another automated opportunity is attribute prediction. Adam, a data steward, is in the process of seamlessly deriving data attributes when a new partner is created. Using derivation rules, processing and consolidation of the new data attributes is automatic, avoiding costly manual data errors. Adam creates a rule for predicting dependent data attributes and enters the ID and description, and selects the company code. He determines the owners for the new rule and selects the company code as a condition. In the results field section, key fields are pre-filled. He adds the procedure to define it and clicks Apply to add the rule and saves the scenario. The no-code, low-code approach enhances transparency for users, and effort and errors are reduced through integrated automation, ensuring the integrity of high-quality data. Best Run can now gain actionable insights from their new supplier data and identify trends and patterns, empowering the business to make strategic decisions, but also facilitate the identification of cost-saving opportunities in the supply chain. SAP Master Data Governance. Consolidate, govern, and manage your business-critical information with accurate analytics, operational excellence, and efficient business processes. For more information, visit sap.com/ndg.